Everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 25th of July 2021 question number 6. In an AP, if S3n is equal to 3S2n, then ratio S4n divide S2n equals to 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of FA. It's a memory based question. So at first S3n divide S2n, that is equal to 3 given. So just calculate this. S3n is equal to sum of 3n divided by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d divide 2n by 2, so that is equal to 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d, so that is equal to 3. Now that implies n by 2 is cancelled off and 3 is cancelled off. So after simplifying we get 2a into 3n minus 1 into d divide 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 2. This 2 is here. So now this one is equal to simplifying this, it become 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 4a plus 4n minus 2 into d. Now 2a is equal to simplifying this one, we get minus n plus 1 into d. Now we should calculate the value 4n by S4n divide S2n. So that is equal to, we may write 4n by 2 into 2a plus 4n minus 1 into d divide 2n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d. Now we put the value 2a in this from this 2a is equal to, we know, putting this value in numerator and denominator. So here we get 2 into n is equal to what? N is equal to minus n plus 1 plus 4n minus 1, and d is common here. Now this one become minus n plus 1 plus 2n minus 1, and d is also common. So after calculating those, all is cancelled. 1 is cancelled, 1 plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled, d and d is cancelled. So here we get 3 into 2n into d, and denominator is n into d. So therefore it is 6. So we reached, it is our required solution, and our option 2 is our correct choice. So this is the solution of question 6. Now moving to question 7. Question 7 is area bounded by the curve. A parabola whose vertex is at 2 unit distance from the origin on positive x-axis and distance between focus and origin is 4 unit. The tangent drawn from the origin to the parabola meet the parabola at P and Q. Then the area of triangle OPQ is equal to what? So this is also a memory based question, and the question is Shift 1 JEE Main 25th of July 2021. So these are the two axes, x and y axis, and here is a parabola. So this is the parabola, and here is the tangent which touches the parabola. These were the two tangents. So the touching point, from touching point we draw, it is a PQ is the PQ. So this is gone, just this point is Q. So PQ is the point, and here it is S. S is equal to, obviously given in the question, that is 4, 0, as obviously it is x is equal to 0 axis. So here is, it is 0, 0, as it is 0. It is the point O, and here is the point V, which is mentioned, that is vertex at the 2 unit distance. So it is 2, 0. So it is 2, 0. So now the tangent drawn from the origin to the parabola meet the parabola and area of the triangle. So the triangle OPQ we should calculate. So at first here A is equal to what? A is equal to, this is 2 unit. A is equal to 2 unit. Therefore latest rectum is equal to 4A, that is equal to 4 into 2, that is equal to 8 unit. Latest rectum is equal to 8 unit. And OAS is equal to 4 unit. OAS is equal to 4 unit also. So area of triangle OPQ is equal to what? Area of triangle OPQ is equal to half of latest rectum into half of latest rectum into OS. So OS. So that is equal to half into 8 into 4. So that is equal to 16 square unit. 16 square unit. So it is our required answer. So we reached. This is our required solution. Now moving to this is the solution of question 7. Now moving to question 8. So question 8 tells us the term of the independent of x in expansion of x plus 1 divide x to the power 2 by 3 minus x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x minus 1 divide x minus x to the power half whole 10 is equal to 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of binomial theorem, and it's also a memory based question, and the question is JEE Shift 1, 25th of July 2021. Now expansion is given here, that is x plus 1 divide x to the power 2 by 3 minus x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x minus 1 x minus x to the power 1 by 2. So this is the power of whole is 10. So now calculate this. So here we get x to the power half 1 by 3 plus 1 x to the power half minus plus 1 divide root of x to the power half, this root over of x. This is the repeated question. Maybe last time this kind of questions comes. So now it become x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 minus x to the power 1 by x to the power half whole 10. So now we get x to the power 1 by 3 minus x to the power minus half whole 10, whole to the power 10. So now TR plus 1 is equal to what? TR plus 1 is equal to 10 CR x to the power 1 by 3 whole 10 minus R into minus x whole to the power minus half R. So this one is equal to 10 minus r by 3, and here this one is equal to minus r by 2, and we know this must be 0. So therefore 10 minus r by 3 minus r by 2, that is equal to 0. So here we get, calculating this, 6 and 10, this is, so r is equal to 4. So it is our required solution. And no, this the expression independent term, so it not reached now. So coefficient of this, so now coefficient of the independent term is equal to 10c4 minus 1 whole to the power 4. So now we get this is 210. Try calculating. This is our required solution. So any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.